It's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. Inclined to put on a show, this dominating ride is a civilized performer. The ability to do more is born from the capability of the 3.6-liter V6 engine and four-wheel drive. Remove the top and enjoy the versatility of the washable interior equipped with drain plugs. As tough as this Jeep is, the ergonomic design of the welcoming and comfortable interior and plentiful storage options prove this Wrangler is the right balance of style and purpose. Your status symbol, but much more than a trophy. Test drive this capable Wrangler today. Here's a 2017 Jeep Wrangler. A lesson in adventure. That's what makes the Wrangler legendary. The 3.6-liter V6 engine and four-wheel drive take you there, and skid plates protect the underbody from the rugged terrain you're conquering. The removable top and cruise control add to the appeal. Safety is essential and nicely covered by fog lamps, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and advanced multi-stage front airbags. This Wrangler is a natural at facilitating fun. Check it out today. Jenkins Nissan, where the deals are real. Or visit us in person at 4401 State Road 33 North in Lakeland, Florida.